The window experts believe that as a part of buying replacement windows, it is important to understand the frame removal process and how it relates to the proper installation of a new replacement window. This video is intended to provide an overview on the process used to completely remove an aluminum window frame from an existing structure for a window replacement. The first step in the frame removal process is to take the glass out of the frame before moving the frame from the wall. This can be done in a number of different ways. In this particular example, we're using a butane torch to heat the sealant around the glass while working a thin blade putty knife along the edge of the window frame to help get the glass loose. Once the glass has been loosened from the opening, it is slowly and carefully removed to prevent any cracking or shattering of the glass in the opening. Finally, once the glass is completely separated from the frame, it is taken out and hauled away for proper disposal. Now that the glass has been removed from the window, the horizontal frame member must be taken out. No rocket science here, just a good old-fashioned hammer beating. Before removing the frame from the wall, it is important to understand the existing condition of the window frame to the wall. Notice the caulk line to the brick. This is keeping the current window waterproofed. As it is removed, we're going to break that sealant line and replace it with a new window frame, relying on a new bead of sealant around the window to keep the waterproofing intact on the replacement window. Finally, we're ready to remove the frame from the existing wall. This is done using a crowbar to be applied behind the window frame into the wall. Using leverage, we're trying to separate the frame from the nailing fin that is secured back behind the brick or stucco or exterior wall surface. Again, this takes several different attempts at prying the frame loose, including physically tearing the frame out of the opening. Once it is bent and released from the wall, it can be hammered loose and free from the opening, and you can see the sill pried away. And the other side is loosened in the same manner. You see we're separating the caulk line that was originally in place. And the frame is pried loose on the other side and ready for removal. And finally, the head of the frame is removed from the opening as well, leaving us with a completely torn out window frame ready to accept the new replacement window. As you can see by the frame opening now, you have the wall cavity where the old window once was, your exterior brick opening, and your sheetrock. And the new window will be slipped in place into that opening for installation. Thank you for watching. If there's anything we can do to help you with your next window replacement project, please contact the window experts.